Good afternoon, students. Let's continue with the lesson number 1. Okay. Now, in this part, we are going to learn the topic metamorphosis in a butterfly. Okay. Now, metamorphosis in a butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly, or you can say metamorphosis, the changes which takes place from starting since the butterfly lay eggs to the butterfly comes out of the pupa. Okay, here we will first learn the first and the second stage. Which is the first stage? Egg. Second stage? Larva. Okay, so first let's have a reading where we can know the pronunciation of the words, which new words which we are going to learn. The female plain tiger butterfly. Here we are going to take the example of the plain tiger, female girl or lady, you can say plain tiger butterfly, which lays an egg on the milkweed or the rui leaf. Now in the second picture in the first picture you can see the photo of plain tiger butterfly. It's a female plain tiger butterfly, and in the second picture you can see the plant, milkweed plant. Okay, and its leaves on which a caterpillar is sitting. Okay, in 6 to 8 days the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Okay, now here we have taken the example of a female plain tiger butterfly who lays egg on the milkweed or rui leaf. Now how you will come to know that this plant is a milkweed or rui leaf? When you break into two parts the leaf of this plant, some milk like liquid comes out of it, and you can make out, or you will come to know that this is a milkweed or rui leaf. So different butterflies have fixed, specific means fixed plants on which they lay eggs. Okay, so this female plain tiger butterfly always lay egg on milkweed or rui plant only. After 6 to 8 days, a butterfly lay egg. A larva comes out of it. What is the name of larva? Larva means insect. Caterpillar. The insect which comes out is called as caterpillar, which has many legs. Some of them have hairs also. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Okay. What is the spelling of caterpillar? Caterpillar. Okay. What is the spelling of milkweed? Milkweed. Okay. You will have to learn this spelling. These spellings are new for you all. Okay. Now here I will tell you is what does the caterpillar does after coming out of the egg. Now in the first picture you can see how the caterpillar is coming out of the egg. Okay, now let's read it. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. Now when a small baby is born, for an example, he always cry because he feels very hungry, because he is a baby. Now like same like the baby, here caterpillar is also baby, so he also feels very hungry. When he comes out of the egg, he is very hungry, so it begins means what? Begins means start to nibble. Nibble means eat, take small bites and eat the very leaf. Very leaf means the same leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast. The speed of eating of the caterpillar is also very fast, so its growth is very rapid. Now what do you mean by the word rapid here? Rapid means very fast. Okay, now you understood. See in the second picture how the caterpillars are eating the leaf. Okay, on the same leaf on which it comes out of the egg. They start eating the leaf very fast because they are very hungry. They eat very fast. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. Now this topic is molting. Here I will explain you what is molting. Here you will have to pay attention to understand it. Okay. Now can you make out something from the pictures which you can see here? No? Okay. First we will read it, then I will explain you what is molting. Okay. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapid, means so fast, in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is its mold. Again it begins to gobble up the leaf. Gobble means eat very fast with some noise and continue to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days it molds a second time. In this way it molds 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Okay. Now how many days does the caterpillar remains in the second stage of caterpillar? 10 to 12 days. Okay. In 10 to 12 days what it does? It eats very fast and its growth is also very fast. So the actual skin of the caterpillar becomes very loose, and under that skin a new loose skin is formed. Okay, new loose skin is formed and he shed means what here? Shed means remove or throw away the old skin. Now you can see here how the old skin is coming out and new skin is there on the caterpillar. You can see in both the pictures. Okay, now this process is called as molting. Now here the caterpillar molts how many times? 4 times. In each 2 to 3 days it molts. Like this the caterpillar stays in a caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Okay, I hope you are understanding this topic. This is something new for you all. Okay, this topic. So the new skin is formed because the growth is very fast. So a new skin comes on the caterpillar. So the old skin starts to come out and he makes movements and he throws the old skin. Okay, he throw the old skin. Thank you.